Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Capstone, this is a new product which will change the face of farming. This is a blasticide which is specifically for the crop of paddy and will help in managing the disease of blast in paddy. Thank you, sir. Thank you for introducing these two new products. We believe that these will help us in further serving the farmers better. I now request Mr. Sanjeev Lal to address the media.
Thank you. It's very good to be back in Kolkata after almost 2.5 years when we were here to introduce two new products that we had launched. And thanks to the pandemic, we've not been able to do these kind of physical meetings and physical launch events, but it is very good that we are now able to do so. And after a gap of almost 2.5 years, as I mentioned, we are launching these products in this physical format. And thank you all for being here. Rallis, while we were all locked away in our homes for the last 2 years working remotely, we have continued to serve the farmers through our network of distributors and retailers and our dedicated teams who, with remote working and some physical movement, were able to engage with the farmers for giving them the necessary inputs and guidance for a successful outcome from the cultivation that the farmers were doing. So this year, while we're sitting here today, we are launching these two products, which have just been introduced on the stage here. These are intended for the paddy crop, which is one of the largest crops of the country, and a large number of farmers are dependent on this crop for cultivation. While we are introducing these crops, our scientist teams working out of Bangalore continue to come up with innovative solutions for the farmers. We have also been working very closely with the regulators and the government for using different technologies. Um, in the last couple of months, use of drones is also being encouraged by the government, and Rallis is also taking a lead in developing products that can be used by drones, applied by drones. This will go a long way in improving the efficacy of application of the chemicals, apart from making it easier for the farmers to apply these kind of crop protection chemicals as well as some crop nutrition chemicals itself. While we are working with the farmers on the front end by bringing in new products, our manufacturing teams are working diligently and hard to bring in new capacities for expanding the production of all the chemicals that we do, so that we are able to not only produce more and distribute within India, but also make these chemicals available for the global market. We also have a couple of new molecules that we'll be introducing into our portfolio over the next couple of years. We'll be launching one new products from one of our new manufacturing facilities that we are setting up in Gujarat. That facility is expected to come on stream later this year. While doing all this, and as I mentioned, a large number of our activities during the pandemic had to be done remotely. We had also taken this opportunity to use digital technology for enabling our team members. So things have been done around digitization and automation of the sales team. Our distributors are now connected through the e-Bandhan application, where they're able to place their orders, reconcile their accounts, and also connect more closely with the company. So these are some of the things that we are doing so that we are able to engage closely with the trade as well as with the farmers. We are committed to bringing in new products on a regular basis, and we are very happy to be here today in Kolkata to launch these two new products. With that, I'll hand it back to my colleague for the next session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It was indeed